Consider the equation z squared equals 1. What are the solutions to the equation? Well, at this level of maths, you really ought to be able to write down these solutions as 1 and negative 1. Express z squared as a complex number in polar form. Well, z squared is equal to 1. Now think about where that is. That's just here. So it's going to be at cis 0, but also every time we go around in whichever direction, multiples of 2 pi. So we can say that this is cis 0 plus 2n pi. Well, of course, that's just 2n pi, where we specify that n is an integer. We now want to use Demois's theorem to find the two possible values of z in polar form. So, z squared is this. Z is going to be cis n pi for n belonging to z. Now obviously if we use all possible integers, we're going to get multiple repeats of each of the roots. So we'll just choose n equals 0, and then z is equal to cis 0, and n equals 1, so z is equal to cis pi. Any other values of n will give us repeats of these roots, so we don't want those. Well, what do we notice? Well, cis 0 is equal to 1, and cis pi is equal to negative 1. So we can find the roots of these equations by using Demois's theorem. Represent your solutions as vectors on the grid below. So one of our solutions is 1, and the other solution is negative 1. Like so. Now the reason for doing this is to note that we have two solutions and the separation between them is 180 degrees or pi radians, which is 2 pi divided by 2. 2 pi for a complete circle, and we have two solutions. So those two solutions are separated by pi radians.